Hopefully Dad can like this. Smoke machine.
Damp birch bark, won't we?
Yeah. Oh, I just saw like a flame in the smoke.
Well, yeah, it's starting. I mean, if you have a look down inside, I mean, it's burning away.
Now it's good and going.
From the other side. Right, you can go that side. Right, so you've got your 3 bits, Ev. So obviously that one we've done is 4. This one we can do into 3. Then all we want to do is and the bonus of doing these is you can what? Balance a pan on or a kettle.
Yeah. Instead of having to make some sort of structure over an open fire for the thing to go on.
Right, now we want to put some firelighter in the middle there. Ev, your Canadian candle is going really well now. And here's your little one, stuck a match in it. We'll see what happens with that.
They don't all have to be big because different variations of logs.
No, exactly. You might just want it just quickly. You're out there, you're out camping or whatever, and then you find a dead standing tree. You can just cut a chunk off, can't you?
As big as you could do it as big as like that work table there.
Yep. Did you want to cook something?
Yes.
What? Mum hasn't got any chicken.